Welcome to the next video on VEP. In this video we are going to talk about third quiz on VEP. In this video you are going to see a question followed by some options. You have to select the best option to answer the question. Then the answer will be provided. So let us start. Question number 1. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains fundamental rights? Options are Part 2, Part 3, Part 1 and Part 4A, and the correct option is Part 3. Question number 2. Which article of Indian Constitution talks about abolition of untouchability? Options are Article 15, Article 21A, Article 19 and Article 17. Correct option is Article 17. Question number 3. As of now, right to property is a fundamental right. True or false? So it is false. This is not the fundamental right. Next, Article 14 says that the state shall deny to any person equality before law or equal protection of laws within India. True or false? Correct answer is false. State shall not deny to any person equality before law or equal protection of laws within India. Next question. Article 308 talks about a legal right. Which type of right is it? Right to constitutional remedies, right to property, right to education, right to work, and the correct option is right to property. Next question. Which of the following freedom has not been provided by the Article 19? Right to freedom. Options are freedom to form association or union, freedom of speech and expression, freedom to assemble peacefully with arms, and freedom to reside and settle in any part of India. And the correct answer is freedom to assemble peacefully with arms. This has not been provided in Article 19. Next question. The state can put reasonable restrictions on freedom of speech and expression in the interest of few things. Which of the following is not included in the list? Options are security of the state, number 2, defamation to an offense, number 3, friendly relations with the foreign state, and number 4, permanent membership United Nations Security Council. And the correct answer is option number 4, because security of the state, defamation to an offense and friendly relations with the foreign states, these are included in that list. Next, a writ that requires an arrested person to be brought before a magistrate within a stipulated time is. Options are mandamus, prohibition, habeas corpus, and last one is quo warranto. And the correct answer is habeas corpus. Next, Article 32 was called the heart and the soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is concerned with options are number 1, right to freedom of religion, number 2, prohibition of child labor, number 3, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, and last option is right to constitutional remedies, and the correct option is right to constitutional remedies. Next, consider a situation in which the High Court orders the municipal corporation of a particular city to clear the garbage and sanitize the city. Which type of writ is being referred here? Options are mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, and quo warranto. And the correct answer is mandamus, Parmadesh. We should try to follow the principles of non-violence, fearlessness, sacrifice for the interest of the nation. Which of the following duty best describe this duty? Options are to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideal and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Number 2, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Number 3, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Number 4, to protect and improve the natural environment including forest, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. And the correct answer is Number 2, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, because we are talking about non-violence, fearlessness, sacrifice for the interest of the nation. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Originally there were blank fundamental duties and the last addition was done by the blank amendment. So, originally there were 10 fundamental duties and the last addition was done by 86th amendment. Next question. Which of the following is not correct about application of DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy? Options are non-justiciable in nature, fundamental in the governance of the country, in matter of legislation, and last option is all are correct. If you remember, these three are basic things that are applicable for DPSP. So all are correct. Next, which article in part 4 of the Indian Constitution talks about promotion of cottage industries? Options are Article 39, Article 40, Article 41 and last one is Article 43, and the correct option is Article 43. Next, promotion of international peace and security, Article 51 talks about states' endeavor. Which of the following is misquoted? Number 1, to promote international peace and security. Number 2, to maintain just and honorable relations between nations. Number 3, to encourage settlement of international disputes by war. And number 4, all are correct. So the correct option is to encourage settlement of international dispute by war. This is misquoted and this has to be done by arbitration. Thank you.